Hi there everybody, it's Marsha here. I just want to stop by and do a quick little video of my favorite place that we stopped off when we went on our holiday trip this year. So we started out in Kelowna and went straight through to Alberta, taking the beautiful scenic highway of Rogers Pass, Kicking Horse Pass, and in through the Banff National Park, and then down through David Thompson country, stopping off in a few places to go camping. Stopped at my mom's in Sylvan Lake, Alberta, and then carried on to Cranbrook. We stopped off at Frank during the Frank slide and checked that out. It was quite unnerving but beautiful at the same time. It's where Turtle Mountain had partially come down and all but buried the town of Frank back in 1903. Then we stopped in at Sparwood and checked out the world's largest tandem axle truck. Absolutely stunning. That thing is massive. And then we carried on up Kootenay Pass through Kootenay Lake. We went on the ferry. That was quite scary for me because I'd never been on a ferry. And then we stopped in at Caslow, and then we went to Sandon, which that's what I'm going to talk about here in a sec. And then we carried on to the Arrow Lakes, went across the ferry there to Highway 6, and then it was starting to rain, so we just carried on Highway 6. It wasn't too special. Beautiful area, but we didn't stop anywhere because we just wanted to get home, and got home. But my favorite spot, honestly, was the Caslow area and Sandon BC. You know, this picture is of Main Street, Sandon. I think it's called Rico Avenue. This was taken in 1898, so it was a beautiful mining town. They were there for silver and lead, I believe, mostly silver. And it had been destroyed about 3 times that I know of. So there was fire, there was a small landslide, and then there was the devastating one that actually completely destroyed the town and they never recovered, which was a flood. So yeah, so this is remnants from 1, 2, or all of the tragedies that happened. My guess is probably from the last one. But I just wanted to show some of this stuff, and apparently my cat wants to say hi. You are not touching that. Go away. Zorro, stay. So there's some beautiful pieces of like pottery and ceramics, beautiful porcelains of the plates, and some glass pieces. This one's really nifty. You can kind of see a little design right there. You can kind of see the flowers in there. It's really quite pretty. This one. So mostly these are off of teacups, little pottery dishes and plates. And then this purple glass, there's a few pieces of it. It's really beautiful purple glass. We think that it is probably off of perfume bottles from the ladies that worked in specific houses. This, we think, because it's pretty thick, we don't think it's like a beer bottle or anything like that. We actually think it might be from a medicine bottle. It's so pretty. This one we're not sure. Even the guy that worked there isn't too sure what this is from. It's really beautiful. It doesn't glow. At first I thought it was that like uranium glass, but it's not. It's definitely solid, but it's a super nice piece. Yeah, and then this little guy here has got some writing on it. And then, of course, this is a hunk of silver. It's really tiny, but it is heavy. Like, it weighs a couple grams. It is actually really, really heavy. So there's probably some kind of ore or something else in there that makes it really heavy. I know silver is very heavy, but this definitely feels like it might have some lead or possibly some zinc in there, but it's so shiny. And this is what it looks like when you take it out of the ground. It just looks like a normal rock with a little bit of flash. And then you pop it open and you get this beautiful, shiny lovely piece of silver. So I got some pure silver. So if you ever come into Canada, into British Columbia, definitely go check out that Kootenay Lake, Kootenay Pass. Go to Caslow. It's a beautiful little town. And then head into Sandon, which is a Silverton area. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's quite sad to go in there, but it is a beautiful little town. I'm going to show you pictures of what it looks like now, and Hal and his wife and his sister-in-law will definitely show you around. They're so nice, such beautiful people, and yeah, the history behind Sandon is amazing. Go check it out, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.